हमारी परवरिश ही ऐसी होती है ना कि men are supposed to be this, women are supposed to be this. I mean, in cities, maybe not as much, especially in like Mumbai or Delhi or something like that. But anywhere else you go, a man is a breadwinner, and the woman has to stay in the house and maybe not earn anything. So yeah, that creates an issue. Obviously, it creates an issue. But a man has to be man enough to kind of deal with it. Because honestly speaking, I think women are multitaskers and are capable of earning, running. I mean, women run the bloody country. I mean, the women, I don't know if they're running it very well right now, but yeah, they are running the country. So, yeah, so I don't think that's an issue, but it can become an issue. Well, is a woman okay with it also? I'm an actress. I don't usually, as a rule, date actors, thank God. Sorry, Ayushman, you're married. But I don't know. As someone who's successful to a certain degree, I've made the choice to actually date people who are not on paper as successful or as well off as I am. And to be very honest, they haven't been very successful relationships because there's always been an ego clash, or my work has always taken priority. So yeah, I guess it doesn't work. Well, I think we're trying to change it. The director of this film is female, the cinematographer is female, the editor is female. A lot of the people are female. Poor Ayush. He loved it. You loved it?
Of course.
Yeah. No, and also it's also the choices you make yourself. You know, I've had the opportunity in the last 2 years to do films where I could have been like a flower pot in a film, but I decided not to do that. And because of that, I'm doing films like Khoobsurat, Bewakufiyan, Dolly Ki Doli. You know, so which is nice. Yashaj is making a film with me. Arbaz Khan, whose last film was Dabang, says that okay, let's make a film called Dolly Ki Doli. You know what I mean? So it's not that. I think that people want to put money on women, but women have to be strong and brave enough to make those choices and be like, it's okay if my film doesn't do well, as long as I have the courage to kind of sign that kind of movie. When I signed Ranchana with Dhanush, I didn't sign a really big film at the same time. I got lots of grief from the industry for doing that. But at the end of the day, when you make difficult choices and it pays off big time. So I think all the girls out there, all the women out there have to make those difficult choices, because at the end of the day, we're trying to make change, we're trying to propagate change, and hopefully that happens in the industry.
I've said this many times that this is the best phase to be in the industry. I think if this phase wasn't there, I wouldn't have made the transition from television to films. And having said that, I think there's no competition as far as singer-actor is concerned. I think I have my own space and own niche. And the kind of films I'll do, I think I'll create a space for myself. That's about it. I don't think about competition.
No fear ever.
There's no fear. Never. There was never fear.
Even when a film doesn't do well. Even if a film doesn't do well.
I don't know. I've never thought about it seriously. I regularly read Gita, so I'm not religious as a person. I just read it as a text. I think success and failure doesn't matter to me. I've seen so much failure in life. I've been rejected so many times in life. So I think I just count my blessings that whatever I'm doing right now was beyond my expectations.
थोड़ा सा पहनने के लिए मैंने मना कर दिया। नहीं बिगिनिंग है। कई बार अवार्ड शो से पहले मैं अपनी पिक्चर क्लिक करके 2 ऑप्शन देता हूँ, दिस और दैट, तो फिर ये मुझे अप्रूव करती हैं कि हाँ ये पहन लो। ऐसा होता है कई बार।
सोनम, वाइफ को प्रॉब्लम हुई आपको अगर उन्होंने
अप्रूवल से मतलब क्या कपड़े पहन? Yeah, she's a style icon, yeah, come on.
And his wife was also saying, I'm going to get this bag. What do you think, babe? I swear, Tyler said that to me. I was like, damn nice, you should totally get it. I swear on God, जब भी इमरान मेरा जो बहुत ही करीब दोस्त है, जब भी वो अवंतिका के लिए कोई भी गिफ्ट लाता है, तब भी वो मुझे बैग्स की ऑप्शंस भेजता है. मैं एक्चुअली पर्सनल शॉपर हो गई हूँ सारी हीरोज की, अपनी हीरोइन, गर्लफ्रेंड या अपनी वाइफ्स के लिए. तो उनका रिलेशनशिप, और आधे तो इंडस्ट्री में मेरे भाई हैं, तो it's like friends or brothers, unfortunately or fortunately, whatever. First पता था, पर मेरे डैड जो हैं वो एक आर्टिस्ट हैं, he's very open minded, तो and he doesn't think like that. तो जब एक्चुअली ही वाज द वन हु एनकरेज्ड मी टू बिकम एन एक्ट्रेस. मेरी मम्मी ने कहा था कि जाके इकोनॉमिक्स पढ़ो अच्छी लड़की की तरह. I was supposed to study economics and political science. I ended up becoming a heroine in a Sanjay Leela Bhansali film. But हाँ, तो उन्होंने कुछ कहा नहीं. उन्होंने सिर्फ कहा कि यार ओपनिंग मिल जाएगी पिक्चर को. I swear that's what he said. ज़्यादा मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ी honestly, because मैं एक रेगुलर नॉर्मल लड़की हूँ इस फिल्म में. तो that's what I was trying to say actually. मैं खाती पीती लड़की हूँ, नॉर्मल लड़की हूँ. अगर हम नॉर्मल लड़कियाँ बीच या स्विमिंग पूल में जाएंगे तो 6 पैक एब्स तो नहीं होने वाले, और लेग्स कटरीना कैफ की तरह तो नहीं लगने वाले, या एब्स दीपिका पादुकोण के नहीं होने वाले. तो अनफॉर्चुनेटली मेरी बॉडी भी ऐसी है नहीं. तो आई सेड आई विल बी अ नॉर्मल गर्ल. तो मैं नॉर्मल लड़की की तरह विद फुल कॉन्फिडेंस, लाइक आई वुड वेयर अ पेयर ऑफ जीन्स और अ ड्रेस. आई वोर दैट स्विम सूट एंड आई वेंट देयर. मैं जितना करती हूँ, मैं ज्यादा हिंदी में बात कर रही हूँ ना, इट्स ओके. आज मैं जितना करती हूँ, मतलब मैं आई हैव अ टेंडेंसी टू पुट ऑन वेट. तो मैं जितना एक्सरसाइज करती हूँ, जितना कम खाती हूँ, वो उतना ही मैंने फिल्म के लिए किया. बिकॉज आई वांट टू प्ले अ नॉर्मल बैंकर, नॉट ग्लैमज़ॉन इन द फिल्म. सो आप जो देखेंगे वो एक नॉर्मल लड़की, हट्टी कट्टी खाती पीती वाली लड़की स्विमसूट में है, नॉट अ मूवी स्टार.